How to use the piano roll in Soundation. First of all, open your project in Soundation, click on Add Channel. Then, select Instrumental Channel. Next, double-click to create a clip. After that, double-click on the clip to open the piano roll. This will bring up a grid where you can input your notes. Next, to add a note, double-click on the grid where you want the note to appear and double-click again to remove the note. You can also select the pencil icon to add notes quickly. You can adjust the length of the note by dragging its edges, and you can change the pitch by moving it up or down the grid. It's a simple way to start building your melody. You can also zoom in and out of the piano roll to get a better view of your composition. This is especially helpful when you are working with intricate patterns or trying to line up your notes perfectly with the beat. Additionally, you can easily copy and paste sections of your melody or rhythm. This is useful for repeating phrases or creating variations without having to manually re-enter the notes. To explore more advanced feature, you can experiment with the velocity setting, which controls the loudness of each note. Simply select a note and adjust its velocity by dragging the small bar that appears beneath it. This adds dynamics and expression to your music. You can also change the quantize option to adjust the timing of your notes, making sure they align perfectly with your desired beat. Finally, you can play your composition by hitting the play button in the top right corner. And that's it. Now you know how to use the piano roll in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.